Hello YouTube, I'm David with Wedge channel. Well, the wind is back after everything was so calm yesterday. Let's go ahead and practice some fire roll with a different bottom board and two different top boards. There's a flat rock right here which I don't believe is in the shot, and there's a split piece of wood right there. Those will make some great top boards. And we're just going to do a cotton and wood ashes fire roll. This is a jumbo cotton ball. And we'll go ahead and make up this other one. Normally I would tell you to put a 1/4 teaspoon of ash on the bottom board, but since this surface is so rough, let's put about a 1/2 teaspoon. Alright, I'll put them in my pocket. And the rock I'm going to use is right there. It's got a flat surface on it. And the flat board is right over here. I think it's been split out at some point. Look what our flat surface, our top board, turned out to be. A wedge of sorts. And then I have a flat surface, and then I have a flat surface right here. Not very long, but we should be able to make it work. Let's give it a try. Always want to tighten it up first. Smell it. I better get behind the camera and make sure that this is showing up. Good. Rock did a good job, didn't it? Let's see if this big flat surface is going to do a good job also. Might try this surface right here. I see smoke. All of this through here is a lot steeper than what it appears on camera. Well, that one's still going. A lot of moisture. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.